All right, welcome to today's daily Leetcode. This is Leetcode 1079 letter tile possibilities. Do want to know before I begin is that this is more of like a personal journal for me. I do these videos because I want to practice talking out loud while doing these Leetcode problems. So if you're watching, that is out to my friends for purposes. You're welcome to join in just to see how I think, and hopefully you can get some inspiration of where I go right, or more often where I go wrong. So yeah. Let's start. You have n tiles where each tile has one letter printed on it. Return the number of possible non-empty sequences you can make using the letters printed on these tiles. I taken a look at this a little bit right before recording, and it seems like you're trying to make all possible combinations of all possible lengths. So I think order doesn't matter at all because you can do BA in the reverse direction, ABA, which is putting the B in the middle. And yeah, so I would do also know that this is backtracking because yesterday's problem was backtracking, and the topics say backtracking here because I just got too curious. But I am not good at backtracking. I haven't done it in a very long time, so I think it's a good practice, and I probably won't be able to complete this, but regardless, exercise. So backtracking. My idea is like you just try all combinations and see if it's been seen before. If it's not, then increment a counter. I do want to know the output is supposed to be just the number of possibilities, not the possibilities itself. I do want to think that it's just what is it? What is it? Yeah, I would use like I was thinking of here, but basically what I was thinking was like scene is equal to set, and indices used is equal to used is a set as well. So you'd have some recursive part or backtrack index here, and then what is it? And theoretically for I in range length of tiles, you would do length of tiles, you do backtrack on I. Yeah. Well, you'd add I to used, backtrack on that, and then remove I from used. What would be the base case of this? So theoretically, you'd what? Iterate through I. So, I don't honestly know how either. I mean, let me take a hint. Building string, well, you can put in every position. My concern is like, I guess you just have a. I guess it's on a D recursion. Well, it's on a dynamic programming, so you could have a current str as well. So if current str is not in scene, add current str to scene, and there also the output would be return the length of scene. I don't think this would be an efficient solution because the scene can get infinitely large as the depth or the number of nodes in this recursion tree. So yeah, but regardless, the reason also I would rather put indices or something inside this, but the concern is like if you have a of 0 or tiles of 0 and this A are individually different. Well, indices they're different, but value-wise they're the same. So you would have redundant sequences. So which is why I would think you would care about this current string. But anyways, So not seen, and then if length of indices used is equal to length of tiles, then you want to return as from here. But if there's indices left to use for I in range of length of tiles, if I not in, well, let's just do j, because it's not, I guess you wouldn't care about this I theoretically, right? You can just do, for j not in, well, let's just do not in used, used, you just do used, seen and used, add I to current str, call recursive, call backtrack, remove I from cur str. Add I to used, remove I from used. This is simple, not simple. This is, let's see. I think this is kind of basically it. So let's try it out. Okay, so scene is equal to set, use is equal to set, define backtrack is just a current str. It's just a current. And then we'll implement this later. But for I in range of length of tiles, it would be add use dot add I cur is equal to no. So then you would do backtrack of tiles of I used dot remove I. Then return length of scene. Okay. If cur is not in used, not in scene, add scene dot add cur. If length of used is equal to length of tiles, return. And also okay. For I in range length of tiles, if I not in used, use dot add I cur dot is equal to cur plus tiles at I backtrack. Well, actually, okay, I'm going to change this real quick. Backtrack cur, and then use dot remove I. I would put a comment remove tiles I from cur. I'll explain why to do this, but okay, actually, now that I have that, this should be an array. And then you do cur dot append tiles at I, and then you would do cur dot pop. I think pop does pop from array remove switch index. Okay, let me just make sure. Okay, cool. Temp is equal to cur dot join cur, and if temp is not in scene, add scene cur. Let's see if this works theoretically. Oh, no way. There you go. Who would have thought? This should be currently good, right? There you go. All right. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching.